Is it beneficial for a homeowner to have a home inspection done? What are your thoughts on that?
Just in general, they already own the home.
Yes.
I think so. I don't do it a ton, but I
Okay.
certainly am happy to do it. I think a lot of people will use it as sort of a maintenance checklist or just if we can catch, let's say you spend $400, $500 on a home inspection, and then we catch this huge problem that's starting to develop in your attic because maybe you had to waive a home inspection because of how the market was. And again, I don't recommend that, but I also don't judge people that did in that era. Like I get it, but maybe they didn't know that that bathroom fan was venting straight into the attic. And now I come and I'm like, oh yeah, there's some moisture issues here versus 5 years later when they sell the house, oh, your whole attic is covered in growth and we need to resheet it and roof it.
Yep, exactly. You just brought up a good point too, that the market was really crazy there for a while and it was tough for buyers to get homes. So they were writing offers without a home inspection, which is scary.
Yeah.
But the reality is the market was so competitive that they were running a risk of not being able to buy a home if they had that contingency in there.
Right.
So I like what you said that, even after you own it, if you want to have a home inspection, just for your own peace of mind to know the home is already yours. There's nothing you can do to go back and change that, but to know for future and like you said, if there's a current problem, you can avoid a bigger problem then.
I'd say 9 times out of 10, the market's probably going to swing back to the way where when you sell that house, they are going to have a home inspection.
Yes.
So now you're caught flat-footed when maybe there was a couple safety concerns you could have managed for your own family's sake, and now when you go to sell the house?
Yes, yeah,
So,
exactly.